like the rest of the nation, we are facing a vaping epidemic, and we have been hearing a lot of concerns from our schools.
The exploding popularity of vaping among teens is alarming in Rowan County.
Literally, it's like, why do you have that? And especially it be the younger kids too, that's younger than me, and I'm just like, you're really vaping? And then you look at people who used to be against it, and now they're like more so like they're fiending for it. Like, I gotta have it. So that just made me like, what happened? What are you doing? That's not right. It's not right. Let's detox.
This is why YSUP Rowan, Rowan County Public Health, and the Center for Prevention Services are teaming up to combat the addiction. They are launching an anti-vaping art contest to raise awareness and protect young people. But before we get into the contest, let's talk about the reality of vaping.
A lot of chemicals that are in vapes that we're not even aware of at this point. And if, for the most part, we know it's dangerous. We just don't know to the extent of it.
Yes, I have friends who smoke vapes, and I will just tell them that it's bad for them. They would say, no, there's no evidence that it's bad for me. And it's healthier than cigarettes, and it's just vapor, and it's just a smoke of cloud and things like that. So definitely the lack of education plays a big role in it, and also the flavoring that they are promoting with the vapes definitely attracts youth.
The Rowan County Health Department says a misconception about vaping is it is water vapor, when actually it is an aerosol. Even though the long-term effects remain uncertain, the immediate impact is scary.
They've even had children who are suffering from seizures, but there's definitely an addiction issue within our schools. I think just among teenagers anyway.
One thing that makes it a little bit more dangerous and more alarming that a lot of people don't know is that vapes are not regulated in the way that they're produced. So what's in them and what's reported to be in them isn't necessarily always truthful or honest or things like that.
Amy says she's received reports of students trying to vape in class and illegally buying vapes. She says big tobacco companies are targeting teens. Listen as she describes statistics concerning vaping.
In young people, it only takes 5 milligrams of nicotine a day to establish a nicotine addiction. One elf bar has 650 milligrams of nicotine, and it's the equivalent of smoking 590 cigarettes.
Amy says the best way to fight the epidemic is by educating. There are 2 programs, Catch My Breath and Avoid, teaching parents and teens about the harmful effects of vaping. The anti-vaping art contest is open to all Rowan County High School students. The deadline to enter is October 31st. The first place winner's art will be displayed in middle schools and high schools within Rowan-Salisbury school system. For more information about the contest, head to the YSUP Rowan Facebook page. For Neighborhood TV, I'm Jessica Willis.